moving on to the next question. What is the importance of art in our life? Now, in this question, what can be the possible answers? Maybe you can talk about the creativity, about the imagination skills. Sometimes art is also a therapy. So we can discuss about all these things. Let's move on to the question. What is the importance of art in our lives? So this is just a general question, okay? So the opinions might vary. Your answers might vary. There is no particular or there is no standard answers for this, standard answer for this. So let's go about with a possible answer of mine. Art is an expression of our creativity, imagination, and skills. So according to me, I define art based on our expression of creativity, imagination, and skills. Okay, so let me add some more information to it. Art can help us in living a balanced life because it gives a passage or channel for our hidden energies and skills. So as I said earlier, I'm justifying, okay? My first sentence says it's an expression of creativity, imagination, and skills. And later on, I'm justifying my answer. I say that art can help us live a balanced life because it gives a passage or a channel. It acts as a passage or a channel for our hidden energies and skills. So let me just not abruptly leave the answer like this. I'm going to say that this is why I have chosen art as a part of, art is supposed to be a part of our lives. So I can finish it like this. Art is definitely an important part of our life. So, thus, I would conclude my answer like this.